Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining the job and securing access. Log in and enable 2FA so your data stays safe. Next, tell the chatbot your clear goal, drafting, summarizing, coding, because the model tailors tone and depth to purpose. Once done, give concise context, audience, desired length, and format. That lets the assistant produce usable output right away. Make sure to include constraints like dates, style, or forbidden items so responses match real needs rather than generic guesses. You now craft layered prompts. Start with the core task, add specific details and an example of the desired output, then set constraints. This structure reduces ambiguity and improves consistency. Once the assistant replies, iterate, ask for a rewrite, simplification, or expansion. That refinement cycle locks in quality. Make sure to request explicit formats like headings, tables, or code blocks so you can paste results directly into your workflow without extra reformatting. You finish by validating outputs. Check facts, run code, and confirm numbers before relying on them. If you need evidence, ask the assistant for step-by-step reasoning or editable references. Once done, integrate the result into your document or project and save versions. If replies are off, troubleshoot by rephrasing the prompt, narrowing the scope, or providing a concrete example. That usually corrects hallucinations or style mismatches quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.